Yeah, baby. That was a good one. Wow, that was cool.
Loud? Loud? Yeah. It's okay, cover your ears, buddy.
Ooh, that was pretty. Woo! Logan. Logan, can you back up? Your face is right in the middle of my screen. Thanks. I'm seeing it. I'm filming it, baby girl. Those are the ground ones. Those are kind of neat.
None of that. I don't have the colors at all.
That's pretty.
Wow. What do you think, Gabe? They're awesome.
I'm hungry.
We'll eat when we get home.
There's pizza in the car on the way home if they want.
Oh, there's only 2 pieces left.
We can cut them in half, Katie. That is so pretty. Yes, screamers! That is so cool. Holy cow! Nice! It's a boom to gasser.
Yeah.
Here we go, boom. Where are they? Ooh.
Oh man, Carl, really?
It's okay, Katie. See how they all just so cool? I want a bottle of fireflies just to look like that. Sit down, Gamby. Thank you. That's pretty. It took up my whole screen. That was cool.
I want to look.
Watch. I'm watching it through here.
See, Daddy's phone doesn't get that.
Isn't that pretty? Look like fireflies. See, I get all the colors and everything. It's neat.
Daddy doesn't. He has to wait until he gets his upgrade.
See, I like that. See how like split?
kind of looks like Saturn's.
Almost.
Awesome. Thank you for taking us.
See, that is so cool. I love that. They're
Oh,
like
it's
a
gonna be one of
surprise.
those.
Oh, wow.
That was pretty.
Like totally. I can't believe
Yeehaw!
it's already the 4th of July.
I know, right?
Oh, I love that. That's pretty.
It's like, where were we like past this year? Whoa, it's gonna spread out and go.
Whee!
Oh, my leg.
Wow. Woo! That's pretty. Wow.
Really close to us.
It looks like it, but it's really not. I love how they're all different colors.
Yeah, it's supposed to be red, white, and blue.
Alright, got bit by a mosquito.
I didn't. I got one down
Shoot
my
up.
shirt.
I got about 80 points.
That's cool. That's like polka dot Afro circus.
They actually should do that.
Yeah,
They should
that'd be
say
awesome.
Polka Dot Afro Circus. And actually have whatever they can see is
Marty.
Marty's face right there, with the big afro. That would be awesome.
Ooh! That was cool. Oh, wow. That one was so big, took up my whole screen. And I still couldn't see the end of it. That reminds me of Mardi Gras. The colors of Mardi Gras. Purple, green, and gold. Ooh, a bow tie. Whee! Wow, red, white, blue. In the form of a star. That was kind of cool.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that kind of where the stars are.
Wow. Oh,
Pretty cool, huh, Bubba?
way cool.
There's another one, Bubba, ready?
Boom.
That one was so loud.
Been going for 14 minutes.
That one's pretty
Isn't that neat? It looks like hair.
It's like rain.
It's cool.
Gotta stop it.
It's like shooting stars.
That's awesome.
Oh, cool.
I like that.
That was cool.
I
Boom.
didn't know the fireworks gonna stop.
Exactly. Don't complain.
Exactly. Yeah, Tom, don't complain.
That's pretty.
That one has to be.
That looks like a weeping willow. Because you're sweaty.
Red on it, probably.
Don't they look like weeping willows, Katie?
Yeah.
Look, there's some over there.
That is so pretty.